Beneath the frozen surface of Moweaqua, Illinois, December 24, 1932, unfolds in an unsettling silence. The barren landscape above seems unaware of the life and death struggle unraveling below. In the inky darkness, miners descend into the earth as they have done countless times before, their silhouettes swallowed by a labyrinth of coal dust and shadowy tunnels. A chilling stillness hangs in the air, broken only by the distant echoes of pickaxes ringing against coal. Below ground, a sinister reality brews. Methane gas, unseen and reeking of death, silently accumulates in the depths. The men, though seasoned by years in perilous conditions, are oblivious to the invisible predator saturating their lungs. Regular safety checks insist all is well, but safety is a fragile concept when the specter of gas looms so near. The imminent catastrophe is scented, not seen, a breath of doom hanging over their every move. And then, without warning, the air itself explodes. An infernal roar tears through the tunnels, transforming the mine into a fiery tomb. The walls quiver as if alive, exhaling flame and shrouding everything in a suffocating haze. 34 men find themselves entombed, their voices silenced by the mine's violent ashen breath, marking a grim record in the annals of mining lore. As the dust settles above, the town gathers in mournful vigil, a specter of grief lingering over Moweaqua. Forever haunted by echoes from the depths where Earth's cold embrace swallowed their own.